Hi, I'm the Rick in Rick Turns, and today I want to demonstrate using a skew chisel for roughing down small spindle work. I just hope I don't skew it up. Judging by the videos that I see on YouTube, most wood turners will rough down spindles with a roughing gouge. After all, it's not called a roughing gouge for nothing. But I found that for small work, roughing with a skew chisel is both faster and easier. I have two skew chisels, a 3/4 inch and a 1 1/4 inch. For small spindle work, I'll normally use the 3/4 inch skew chisel. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a small piece of oak, about 4 inches long and 1.5 inches on a side. This is green wood, cut down less than a week ago. Green wood does turn easier than dry wood, but this skew chisel technique works just as well on dry wood. So let's get started. Adjust the tool rest to slightly above the midpoint of the work and check that the workpiece isn't going to hit the rest when it starts spinning. I've got my lay speed set to about 1500. The roughing cut, also known as the peeling cut, is made with the skew flat on the tool rest with the edge parallel to the work. Only the left third of the skew blade is being used, and that assumes you're starting from the right side of the work. The skew starts above the work, slowly lowered until it begins to cut. The motion is a curve. Move the skew forward and downward at the same time. This keeps the blade cutting instead of degrading into a scraping cut. Check for round as you go. Once you've roughed the section down to round, start on the next area. The cutting action is preferred. It leaves a better surface, and with the skew it's faster and easier than trying to scrape. I've been going a little slow for the video, but this is actually quite a fast operation. Finish up using a peeling cut all the way down the workpiece. Let's take a slower look at this. On a workpiece that is already round, as this one is, you start the skew with the bevel rubbing. Then you lower the blade by raising the back of the handle until you catch a shaving. The motion is then forward and down. Let's take an even closer look at this. We start with the skew rubbing the bevel, since this work is already round. Then we move the skew down and forward at the same time. I've pulled the camera back some to get a wider view of the tool handling. And that's how you do roughing with a skew chisel. If you're not already familiar with this, then you should give it a try the next time you need to rough down a spindle.